Kia ora, I'm Kathy Hendry, Managing Director of Strategic Pay. As New Zealand's leading remuneration specialist for over 30 years, we provide organisations across the country with unparalleled market information, specialised advice and innovative solutions.
With dedicated teams around the country, we understand the needs of your region.
We work with you to design reward and performance programs that attract and retain the best talent.
We have a really great database with current up-to-date market information and the tools and methodologies to help you access that data, make sense of it and apply it to your business, whether you're small, medium or large.
Invest in your people, invest in your future. Partner with Strategic Pay for expert remuneration advice and proven results.